Testing. Testing, testing. Okay, great. We're live right now. Okay, welcome to PNG PacificFX Asian session live stream. Um, yeah. Before we do anything, we're gonna go to Forex Factor to see if you have any high impact news coming out. I mean, just to see if you have anything that would affect our trading for this session. But it's pretty obvious the US banks, the US session is closed right now, so we don't have anything significant that would affect XAU USD for this session. So I think we have a good clean price action day. So we're just gonna go ahead and break down our chart starting on the higher time frames. Yeah. Let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. What's happening? How last week ended. Okay, looking at the weekly time frame. Actually, let's bring this out a little bit. Okay, the previous week ended pretty bearish last week. Pretty bearish, the same as the previous 4 weeks. We have very strong bearish momentum on gold right now. Broken below a lot of support levels. Currently approaching this next support level area, just a little bit above 1680, right over here. It's around 1684. We're trading a little bit below the 1600s now. Really broken below the 1700s area, so we have a really bearish movement on gold. I think we're bound for retracement pretty soon. I think gold is at a pretty good level to buy. So yeah, but on to this show. Looking at the weekly, currently very bearish. Looking at the daily time frame. Yeah, looking at the daily time frame, yesterday's daily cannot really push significantly bearish yesterday below this minor resistance area at 1707 right here. So looking to the left, we have broken and closed below this resistance area. The next level of support level area. The next level of support we may look to come down to is 1682. So if you continue this bearish momentum on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame, it could potentially come down to 1682. So that's going to be our overall high time frame bearish target. um, yeah. So that's what's on the daily time frame. We're gonna drop down to the 4 time frame to see if you have any structure. See if we can have a potential entry on this 4 time frame bearish momentum. So before we do anything, we're gonna do a clean fresh analysis, see what's happening on the 4 time frame. Looking at the 4 time frame, the previous two 4 candles really broke below this support level at 1704.50 right over here. So we had price really struggling to break this level on the 14th of July, the 15th, 16th of July. We really broke through it yesterday, just before NYSC open. And we're really continuing this bearish momentum right now. So we may potentially retrace up a little bit for each session and continue pushing for London session. So we'll see how that goes on the lower time frames. yeah. But I think we're gonna stick to, if you're gonna continue this bearish momentum, I think we're gonna stick to our overall overall daily time stick to a tight on the daily time frame. The daily time frame support area at 1682. So right now I think we have very strong bearish momentum. I think we're gonna look at entries on the lower time frames, which is the 1 hour and the 30-minute time frame. So looking at the let me just change this. Let me just push this to another tab. Just gonna focus on this for now. Okay, looking at the, let's just start off with the 1 hour time frame for now. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have some sort of support level form doing Asian Open, just a little bit above 1695.50 right over here. And we have a kind of resistance up there. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, this current 1 hour cannot close in the next 50 minutes. Hey, Shika, thank you, bro. My vacation was pretty awesome. I haven't been on the charts for almost a week, so I'm really excited to be back. That's some serious bearish move on gold. How are you, my brother? I'm doing great. Never been better. Um, it's good to be back on the charts. Um, you know, I'm really looking at this 1 hour time frame now. I'm just looking for entries right now. We have very strong bearish momentum in gold. I'm probably gonna look for more entries, but I think I'll be looking at the 30-minute time frame. Are you looking for GJ buys? Ah, nice. I'm not looking at anything. I'm not looking at GGAs yet. I really don't see anything on gold right now. We have a resistance area at 1697. Right here we have this support level just above 1695, which we broke out of on the previous 3 minute candle. And yeah, you're pretty much right about that, Shaker. The last time gold was below, gold tapped below 1700 was what, around August last year. Yeah, we have very very strong bearish movements on gold. Um, I'm really thinking if this kind of flips, I might get an entry right over here, anticipating a drive down, but um, I'm not too sure as yet. We're approaching the end of the hour, and yeah, definitely. I have my daily if you continue this bearish momentum, I'm really looking at tapping into 1682. I'm really trying to see if I can enter on the flip of this candle, but I see if it can pop down a little bit. But really anticipating a potential wick fill over here. This is a pretty sure a lot of people are gonna be getting into sales right now, but the thing is, the price looks very good on the 30-minute time frame to get into sales. It doesn't look that appealing on the higher time frames. So it pushed, it really pushed significantly. So we're really expecting to see some sort of retracement at this point. Uh, oh yeah. Really have some serious problems with my internet. have some. You know what I'm thinking is we could potentially retest 1700, and that's what I'm thinking. We could potentially retest 1700. Because on 5:30 a.m. this morning, my time, we really broke below it. We never really retested it, so we could potentially retest it now. Oh, we have the new. Oh man, there we go. Just popped on in the first minute. Really breaking below this previous 30-minute candle right over here. We'll adjust this our support levels a little bit based on the 30-minute time frame to our recent support level area that was formed with the previous 30-minute candle, which is at 1694 right over here. Oh, this would have been a very good entry, but it just happened in the first. Um, yeah, I could have had a very nice entry right over here, anticipating a continuation of this bearish structure. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? Oh man, what's going on with my screen? Is it Is anybody else trading with you doing something like this, or is it just my computer? My terminal on my broker is moving pretty nicely right now. Really pushing below the previous daily candle low again. There's some serious bearish momentum coming in right now.